Welcome to the food street. You can open kinds of food shops here. Let's shop for ingredients at the supermarket first. Supermarket. I would like to buy these goods. Everything is ready. Let's go back and open a shop. The ingredients are ready. You can open the shop. Juice shop. The juice shop is open. The juice is ready. Enjoy it. Your juice is ready. You're awesome! 10 seconds awarded. Your juice is ready. Your juice is ready. Difficulty level up. The juice is ready. Enjoy it. The juice is ready. Enjoy it. Nice work. 15 seconds awarded. The juice is ready. Enjoy it. Your juice is ready. Difficulty level up. Your juice is ready. Time's up! You are great! You have got so many coins! Baby Panda's food party dress-up! The food party is about to start! We must be beautiful for the party! Let's get ready! Hi! Look! There's a loaf of bread in the bag! Wow! He has jumped in the toaster! turned a beautiful golden brown. That's awesome! It's a slice of pear-shaped bread. It's a slice of box-shaped bread. Wow! Now it's a slice of rabbit-shaped bread. The food party is starting! Eat bread with milk. They are nutritious and healthy. Guess what is hidden inside? It's a lovely cake. What color should he wear for the party? Don't forget his favorite cherries. The candles are hiding somewhere. Can you find them? It is the naughty marshmallow. Continue decorating the cake. Turn on the music. Can the little cloud blow out all the candles? The food party is starting! Share the delicious cake with everyone! Wow! It's a candy jar! What color would be good? Let's dress her up. Which bow tie does she like? The food party is starting! Remember to brush your teeth after eating Baby Panda's coloring book. Let's color a frog. Yellow. Green. Green. The frog you colored jumped so high. Color a lotus leaf for the frog. Then color a mosquito. Red. Purple. Yellow. Orange. Yellow. The mosquito you colored is flying. Wow! You've finished all the drawings! So many mosquitoes! Tap to catch them. Let's color a fish. Wow! The fish you colored is swimming. Now, color a crab. Red. Red. The crab you colored is awesome! Then color a seahorse. Blue. Green. Look! The seahorse you colored is blowing bubbles! Wow! You've finished all the drawings! Drag the tiny shrimps to the Let's color a bird. Blue. Blue. Wow! The bird you colored is laying eggs. Let's paint the eggs. Yellow. Green. Purple. Yellow. You are a great painter. Then color a cute baby bird. Green. The baby bird you colored is so cute. Wow, you've finished all the drawings. Tap on the bird egg to see what happens. When an earthquake strikes, the ground starts shaking in many different ways. The houses that are not sturdy enough may collapse, causing great losses. I am Architect Kiki. Do you know how to build houses at different locations? This is a seismic hazard map. The colors and numbers marked on the map indicates different levels of earthquake resistance required in house building. Wherever it is, houses should be sturdy. Can you place the buildings at the matching zones of seismic fortification intensity? Level 9 Fortification Zone. Level 8 Fortification Zone. Level 7 Fortification Zone. Level 6 Fortification Zone. Now let's build the sturdy houses to stay safe even when earthquake strikes. School building. The government has increased the seismic fortification criteria. Now we need to strengthen the school building's earthquake-resistant capability. Let's set up the temporary fencing for the construction site first. Safety is the priority in the construction site. Place the safety signs here. Turn the knob to move the aerial work platform up. The steel frame is a bit rusty. Polish it with sandpaper. Spray paint the steel frame so that it won't rust so easily. When an earthquake strikes, the damper on the energy dissipation device can deform to dissipate or absorb the seismic energy, thus efficiently prevent the collapsing of the building. The school building is reinforced. Great! Buildings with seismic strengthening and buildings without seismic strengthening will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Drink water. Wash. Brush. Bath. Laugh. Laugh. Cry. Cry. Laugh. Angry. Shame. Fear. Cry. Laugh. Fear. Angry. Shame. Eat. plus 1, 2. Plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus plus 3 plus 3 Panda's Dream Garden. Welcome to Little Panda's Dream Garden. Hello, this is what I want. Can you make it, please? Make chili sauce. Worms are infesting the chili plants. Pluck them out. Garlic. Crush the chili peppers. Add some oil. Sprinkle a bit of salt. The hot chili sauce is ready. Let's put it into the jar. Make chips and fries. The gophers are eating the potatoes and sweet potatoes. Knock them out. Some potatoes are rotten. Pick them out, please. Some sweet potatoes are rotten. Pick them out, please. Skewer flavor. Chili flavor. My car is broken. Can you help? Don't worry. Let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. Drag the machine. Oh no! The engine is not working. Look, the wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! The car is so dirty. Let's have a good clean. There are a lot of bacteria. Get rid of them quickly. The car window is so dirty. Come and wash it. Drag the brush to foam the car. Let's rinse away the foam. Now let's wipe away the water stains on the car. Wow, the car is so clean now. The car is running out of gas. Let's fill up the tank. First, unscrew the cap. Insert the oil gun and fuel the car. The tank is filled up. Let's screw the cap. Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Thanks for fixing my car. You are awesome. Kids, follow the rules when driving. Be sure to stop when pedestrians walk on zebra crossing. Oh no! There's smoke coming from my car! Can you help me? Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. The problems have all been identified. Let's start. There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. Place pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great. The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack up the car first. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tie, install new screws, and not this one. Give it another try. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow, it's fixed! Great job! Great, it's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. Wow, my car is as good as a new one. You are awesome! Remember to fasten your seatbelt when driving.